Hello there. Yesterday's rain starting to clear away quite nicely now. It's left a legacy of cloud and rather dull, damp conditions for many of us to start our day. But more importantly, it's going to be an incredibly mild feel to things. We will keep the cloud though for most of the day. We've still got this southwesterly wind dragging in this milder air. A lot of low cloud, mist and fog, a little bit damp and drizzly here as well first thing in the morning, with more persistent rain sitting up into the far northwest of Scotland. But just look at the temperatures to greet us first thing in the morning. We're looking at around generally 8 to 11 degrees, incredibly mild for this time of year. So down into the southeast first thing in the morning, it will be a mild start. Yes, it will be murky down towards the coast, but a lot of cloud around here as well. Now, as we push down to the Channel Isles, it's a similar story too. But across towards Cornwall, the Isles of Scilly, up into West Wales, there's going to be a lot of low cloud, mist and fog, a drizzly, murky old start to the day. Certainly worth bearing in mind. Some of those fog patches could be fairly dense in places, and a similar story to much of West Wales. It's going to be a mild start for Northern Ireland. Again, those temperatures around 11 degrees at 8 o'clock in the morning. There will be some patchy outbreaks of rain up into the far northwest of Scotland. These will tend to sit here through much of the day. Again, to the east of the Pennines, we haven't got quite so much fog around, and it will be a cloudy start to the day, but we could potentially to the east see some breaks in the cloud, and when we do, we get some sunshine and that milder feel, those temperatures are going to climb up significantly for this time of year. Gradually we'll lose that fog out into the west, but it's going to be a slow process. For one or two of us, it may well linger for much of the day, but where we do get the brightness coming through, just look at these temperatures. What a difference a couple of weeks makes. 15, 16, 17 degrees. That's well above the average for the time of year. We should be seeing around 8 or 9 as a maximum. Now, that area of high pressure and the warmth doesn't last very long. It gets squeezed out of the way by this frontal system that slowly but surely sinks south. It just means a different air type that's going to arrive across the country, not that much in the way of significant rain. It'll bring some patchy outbreaks of rain across the Midlands and down into the southeast. But as I say, it's going to be a cloudy, mild feel here with 15 degrees the high, cooler air already tucking in behind 7 or 8 degrees. And that's the scenario as we move into the weekend. We'll see those temperatures around generally single figures as a maximum. There'll be a fair amount of cloud, but a good deal of dry weather up into the far northwest for the weekend. A little more chance of seeing some sunshine coming through further south. Those temperatures back to where they should be for this time of year. Take care.